In today's business world, knowledge is power. Companies that can effectively manage and leverage their knowledge assets have a significant competitive advantage. Effective knowledge management is not just about storing information. It's about making that information accessible and useful. It's about connecting people with the knowledge they need to make better decisions and drive innovation. Businesses today operate in a complex and rapidly changing environment. Staying ahead of the curve requires a constant influx of new ideas and innovative solutions. This is where knowledge assembly comes into play. Knowledge assembly is the process of bringing together diverse pieces of information from various sources to create new insights and knowledge. This process is crucial for fostering innovation and driving business growth. Without a robust system for knowledge assembly, companies risk falling behind their competitors. They may miss out on opportunities to develop new products, improve existing processes, or better serve their customers. In a world where information is abundant, the ability to effectively assemble and utilize that information is paramount. Organizations must prioritize knowledge management and assembly to thrive in the modern business landscape. By fostering a culture that values knowledge sharing and collaboration, companies can unlock the full potential of their knowledge assets. This approach will enable them to drive innovation, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve greater success. Knowledge assembly lies at the heart of innovation. It involves bringing together diverse perspectives, experiences, and data points to generate new ideas and solutions. This process is not about simply gathering information. It's about actively synthesizing and integrating it to create something new and valuable. The power of knowledge assembly lies in its ability to connect seemingly disparate pieces of information. By bringing together experts from different fields, companies can foster cross-functional collaboration and generate novel solutions to complex problems. For example, a pharmaceutical company might assemble a team of scientists, marketers, and regulatory experts to develop a new drug. This cross-functional approach allows for a more comprehensive understanding of the problem and a wider range of potential solutions. The diversity of thought and experience within the team sparks creativity and leads to more innovative outcomes. Knowledge assembly is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that should be embedded in the company culture. By encouraging employees to share their knowledge, collaborate on projects, and continuously learn from each other, companies can create a dynamic and innovative environment. This culture of knowledge sharing and assembly is essential for sustained success in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. Several myths often hinder effective knowledge assembly strategies. One common misconception is that artificial intelligence, AI, can fully automate the process. While AI can play a role in data collection and analysis, it cannot replace human judgment and intuition. Knowledge assembly requires critical thinking, creativity, and the ability to connect seemingly unrelated concepts, skills that AI has yet to master. Another myth is that remote work inherently hinders knowledge assembly. While physical proximity can facilitate spontaneous interactions, remote teams can still effectively assemble knowledge through virtual collaboration tools and structured communication channels. Companies must invest in the right technologies and foster a culture of virtual collaboration to ensure knowledge assembly thrives in remote work environments. A third myth is the disconnect between innovation goals and budget allocation. Companies often set ambitious innovation targets without providing adequate resources to support knowledge assembly initiatives. Leaders must recognize that knowledge assembly requires investment in technology, training, and dedicated time for employees to collaborate and share their expertise. By debunking these myths and embracing the reality of knowledge assembly, companies can create a more effective and sustainable approach to innovation. It requires a commitment to investing in the right tools, fostering a collaborative culture, and aligning budgets with innovation goals. For knowledge assembly to truly flourish, it must be supported by a clear alignment between innovation goals and budget allocation. Companies cannot expect to achieve breakthrough innovation without dedicating adequate resources to the process. This means investing in the technologies that facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration, such as knowledge management platforms, virtual collaboration tools, and data analytics software. Equally important is the investment in human capital. Employees need training on how to effectively capture, share, and utilize knowledge. They also need dedicated time to engage in knowledge assembly activities, such as brainstorming sessions, cross-functional projects, and mentorship programs. Without this dedicated time and support, knowledge assembly will be relegated to an afterthought, hindering innovation efforts. Leaders must champion the importance of knowledge assembly and ensure it is integrated into the company's strategic planning process. This involves setting clear objectives for knowledge assembly initiatives and allocating budgets accordingly. By aligning budgets with innovation goals, companies can create a robust framework for knowledge assembly to thrive. This alignment demonstrates a commitment to innovation and empowers employees to contribute their knowledge and expertise. Ultimately, it paves the way for a more innovative and competitive organization. Cultivating a culture of knowledge assembly is paramount for long-term success. This requires a fundamental shift in mindset, where knowledge is viewed as a shared asset and collaboration is encouraged at all levels. Leaders must set the tone by actively participating in knowledge-sharing activities and recognizing employees who contribute to the process. Creating a culture of open communication is crucial. Employees should feel comfortable sharing their ideas, insights, and even failures. Failure should be seen as a learning opportunity, and knowledge gained from mistakes should be captured and shared to prevent future errors. This open and transparent environment will foster trust and encourage more active participation in knowledge assembly. Continuous learning is another essential element of a knowledge assembly culture. Companies should provide opportunities for employees to expand their knowledge base through training programs, mentorship opportunities, and access to industry events and conferences. Encouraging employees to stay abreast of the latest trends and developments in their field will ensure the knowledge being assembled is current and relevant. Finally, companies should establish clear processes and guidelines for knowledge capture and dissemination. This could involve implementing a knowledge management system, creating a central repository for best practices and lessons learned, or establishing regular knowledge sharing sessions. By formalizing these processes, companies can ensure that knowledge is effectively captured, organized, and readily accessible to those who need it.